Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can log in your Regis HR account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.regishrgroup.com. Once you do so, you will end up in this interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the employee portal on the login section. After you do so, you will be redirected to this page where all you need to do now is simply type in the credential that has been asked, like your username and your password. Once you have typed both of the credentials, simply tap on the login button to get logged in into your account, or if you are new, then simply tap on register. However, if you've forgotten your username or forgotten your password, then simply tap on forgot username or forgot password to get back your access of your account by resetting your username or password. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.